Wait, you're supposed to look at me. Ah, there you are. Hi. Well, today we are talking about ramps. Ramps and spheres. Bet you know that word from math. Spheres and maybe a cylinder or two. So I have made up a ramp. Actually, I've made a couple ramps. This one, as you can see, is cardboard. Just plain old cardboard. I had something delivered recently, and I thought this would be a really cool ramp, but it's kind of skinny. But we're going to try and see if it works. So let's see. How can I do this? Because I have another ramp over here. Can you see? I have a teddy bear, and I have a book to make a ramp. And then I have some things that are cylinders over there. And then I decided, if I've got that going on, I might as well find a different kind of a ramp. So I have this cardboard piece. I'm going to try that too. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check out to see if this ramp works. I've got a bunch of cylinders. I have this cylinder. Do you think this cylinder will work? Whee, there it goes. Bye. See ya. Oh, that rolled pretty well. And then I thought, well, let's see if it works on this ramp. Let me move it over. You think it's going to work? What? There. Oh, banged into a chair leg. Okay, so I have these ramps going on. Now I'm going to try these little balls. I'm going to take a couple out and see how far they go. Let's try this skinny old ramp. Let me squish it over here. Okay. All right there, ramp. Let's do your business. We've got a sphere. Whee! Oh, it bounced right off. Whoa. So I made a ramp out of regular cardboard, a funky cardboard, and a book. Because if you don't have cardboard, what else can you do? You can do a lid. I did think about doing this lid, but then I realized it has a lip on it. So if it slides down, it bumps into the lid. Even on the other side, it slides down and goes boof. So it wouldn't work as well. But a book is nice. Let's see if we can use our cylinders now. Chapstick. Do you think it's going to roll? What do you think? Maybe? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay. Ready, set. See you later, alligator. I think it worked well. Then I decided you probably have these at your home. It's a very familiar sighting these days. So I'm going to use that. Let's get it that way. You getting dizzy yet? You might be getting dizzy. I'm going to use this ramp. What do you think? Okay, Clorox, go. Whoa, and that was heavy too. And this is caulk. I have to recaulk my bathtub, one of my bathtubs. So I want to see if, I'm going to move my teddy bear. I'm going to see if that works because that also is a cylinder. Okay, ready, set, kaboom. So it looks like I have a mess on my floor now. Okay, so can you make yourself a couple in creation? Can you make a couple ramps at home and do this with some spheres or cylinders? I don't think a pyramid would work, but I do think spheres will do very nice. Try not to do this ramp where people walk, because if mom or dad step on it or your baby sister or brother, kaboom, they fall. And then they're going to blame me and I didn't do it. Go ahead, show me what you can do with a ramp. See ya.